The prisoner's dilemma is a classic concept in game theory that explains why two people might not cooperate, even when it is in their best interest to do so. At its core, this is a lesson in game theory, which is simply the study of how individuals make strategic decisions when the outcome depends on others. The paradox here is that by acting in your own rational self-interest, you often end up with a worse result than if you had cooperated. Imagine two suspects separated in different rooms. Each is offered a deal: betray the other for a shorter sentence or stay silent and risk a longer one. We all face moments where we have to choose between trusting someone or looking out for ourselves, but what happens when that choice turns into a trap? If both stay silent, they get 1 year. If one betrays, they go free while the other gets 5, but if both betray, they both get 3 years. This isn't just for prisoners. Investors and businesses see this when competing firms slash prices, ultimately hurting everyone's bottom line. Understanding these incentives helps you see the hidden forces behind market competition. Subscribe for more money basics and game theory concepts.